Chapter 10 of The Hobbit by J.R.R. Tolkien is titled A Warm Welcome. In this chapter, Bilbo Baggins and the company of dwarves led by Thorin begin their journey down the river running towards the Long Lake after escaping from the elves' castle. Although the journey is fraught with danger, they are helped by Bilbo's cunning and the resilience of the dwarves. Following a close call, Bilbo and the dwarves are discovered by the Lonely Mountain's human inhabitants, the Lake Men. They have been eagerly anticipating the return of Thorin as prophesied. The prophecy says that when Thorin returns, the riches of the mountain will once again flow. Upon their arrival, the men of Esgaroth, the lake town, greet them warmly. They view the dwarves as harbingers of prosperity and treat them with due respect. Thorin introduces himself as the grandson of King under the mountain, and thus they are hailed, celebrated, and given provisions for their quest to reclaim the Lonely Mountain from Smaug the dragon. The chapter ends with Bilbo and his companions resting in Lake Town, preparing for the daunting challenge ahead. The celebratory mood starkly contrasts with the dangers they're expected to face, providing a moment of calm before the impending storm. This chapter thus sets the stage for the coming confrontation with the dragon Smaug. And that's it for Chapter 10 of The Hobbit by J.R.R. Tolkien. If you enjoyed this summary, remember to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more like it. And do you think the Lake Men's warm reception of the dwarves is merited, or are they being too hasty in their celebration? Share your thoughts in the comments section below.